The goal of the CHE A+ Cooking Club is for students to experience a family meal. From cooking to sitting at the table, this is what the CHE A+ Cooking Club is all about.
Welcome to the CHE A+ Cooking Club!
My favorite part is our family meal and this family eating together.
We are all family.
Yes.
Right.
Mommy, we are.
Family. Yes.
Family.
Yeah,
Family. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Eden. Sous chef is Christian. We are making special pea bars.
I'm gonna add a cup of corn syrup.
Microwave it in 1.5 minutes.
What do you guys like to make on the microwave?
Popcorn.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Steve,
And you are?
Aiden's dad.
Hi.
I'm Steve, Aiden's grandfather.
Hi, I'm Grammy Barb.
Hi, I'm Dylan. I'm Aiden's brother.
Put your hands in there. There you go. All the way to the bottom. Good job, Christian.
go backwards.
Right?
How do you like them, you guys?
So good.
What do they taste like? Are they chocolatey?
They taste like chocolate off the top. Yeah, mine is the best. Oh my gosh. Mine is the best. Tastes like fluffy unicorn.
Like fluffy unicorns?
It's so good. Oh my god. Mine tastes like fluffy unicorn. So good. Fluffy unicorn. Probably tastes like
This pan is for the kiddos that cannot have any peanuts, and it's just a brownie mix with a cookie dough topping.